Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Ubuntu 25.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Open any web browser. First download XAMPP run file by going to Apache Friends.org. Then see here, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment and it is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl. Okay. See here, download for Windows, download for Linux and Mac OS. So click on download for Linux. At a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, CD downloads. ls. See here, we have the XAMPP run file. We can't run it directly. ls-ltrh. See, we can't run, so make it as executable. By running the command sudo chmod a plus x, then give XAMPP 1 or 2 3 letters of this run file and give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. Now ls-ltrh, now it is executable. So install it sudo dot forward slash use XAMPP, give the tab to autofill entire run file name, hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be open. Now click on forward. See, now we have to select the components. By default, it has selected XAMPP core files. Optionally, we can select the XAMPP developer file. You can select or unselect only this one. So select it and click on forward. See, this is the installation directory. Okay, then click on forward. See, ready to install, then click on forward. See, installation has been started. This will take time. So I'm pausing this video. After installation, we will resume and we will perform the post installation steps. See, successfully installed XAMPP server 8.2. Okay. If you want to launch, you have to keep the checkbox. Select the checkbox that is launch XAMPP and click on finish. Okay, we have successfully installed. So you got the XAMPP control panel. Suppose if you close this one, then also you will be able to open the XAMPP control panel. I will show you later that how to open it. Then go to manage server. See here, Apache web server is running and MySQL database is not started. So start it. Also start the Pro FTP server. Select it and start. See, all three services are started. Now go to Firefox or any web browser, then give localhost, hit enter. See, we got the welcome page. If you receive this means we have successfully installed XAMPP 8.2.12. If you want to see the information about PHP info, see here, PHP version is, this is the PHP version. And see here we have the different options like different extension information. Close this one. Now click on PHP My Admin. See here, these are the list of the databases. If you want to create database, just click on new. Then we can create our, then click on SQL and we can run the queries. Okay, click on new database, then provide the name of the database. I'm giving name as, then we have to click on create. See, database is created. In this database, if you want to create tables, you have to provide the name of the table, then you have to provide the number of columns. After that, you have to fill the column names and data types. Okay, so I'm not going to create. Now, if you want to verify the version of the MariaDB that you have installed, just select database and click on SQL. Now run the queries. Go to console. Now run select version. Control enter. See, we have installed MariaDB 10.4.32. And see, if you stop this MySQL server, if you reload this page, this won't work. Let me see. Wait until this will be stopped. See, it is stopped. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect to PHP MyAdmin. So start it again. See, we have successfully started. Now reload this page. See, we got the phpMyAdmin page. Okay. Now if you want to go back to home page, just remove this, give the localhost. See, we got this page. Now we will see how to create a sample PHP file and execute. Okay. Go to terminal, go to install directory cd opt ls. See here we have the lamp directory. Go to the directory ls, then go to htdocs ls. See here we have the index.php. This is the file name. This is the index.php page. Even if you go index.php, it will be redirected to the same page. See, okay. Now create a sudo vi artschools, then php.php, hit enter, then provide the php tags. Plus I to insert mode, then provide the php tag. Echo, welcome to my channel. Then close the php tag. Save the file, wq exclamation. PHP file name is artschools. Then remove this dashboard. Then go artschools.php. See, whatever is there in that file, it printed here. Okay. Suppose we will see what will happen if you stop the Apache web server. Stop it. Now reload this page. See, it is not working. So Apache server must be up and running. So select it and start it. It is started. Try again. See, we got the output of this PHP file. Okay. Now, as I told you, if you close this one, close. Here we won't have the XAMPP. Okay. So we have to open it. So how we can open it? Go to this lamp directory. Ls. See here we have the manager -linux 64.x64.run file. So sudo //xampp give the tab manager -linux give the tab linux x64.run. Hit enter. See, you got the XAMPP output. Okay. Wait a moment. See, if you want to restart all services, you have to click on this restart all. Okay. So close this one. The same, if you want to uninstall, you have to execute this command. Okay. So we have successfully installed. Now go to downloads directory. Go to home directory. Then go to downloads directory. ls. This file is not required because we have successfully installed XAMPP 8.2. Remove XAMPP, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, configure XAMPP 8.2 on Ubuntu 25.04. As I told you, the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.